Hello, everybody out there in YouTube land. Gus Schmidt here. Today I'm going to be doing a review of a binary options broker named CloseOption. This is one of my favorite trading platforms for binary options. I'm here on the site right now. This is the home page of the site. The good thing about CloseOption is that they have various accounts. They have a contest account. They have a real account and they have a demo account. In the demo account, you can basically, practice your trading, which I recommend anybody starting out in trading options to get get some practice in first. They'll give you $1,000 in demo money to trade with here. Let me click on the trade room. And this is what the room looks like. You have a number of currency pairs available. They also have cryptocurrencies here like Ether, Bitcoin Cash, uh, Bitcoin Ether, XBT, Litecoin, as well as your traditional currencies pairs, including Euro USD, Euro USD Swiss franc, and they're all listed here at the top. When you click on this button here, you can trade anywhere from 30 seconds to 1 month, as you see here, and the lot sizes begin at $1. You can trade a minimum of anywhere from $1 up to a max of I'm not even sure. I think 1,000 or even $2,000. And here we have with the amount of profit for each particular currency pair. Not all the some of the currency pairs you see you have 70% here. You get 50%. There are various returns if you win the trade for these currency pairs or the cryptocurrency pairs. Okay, so I'm looking at 5-second candles. You can look at 10-second candles or 30-second candles, as well as line chart. You could do line chart if you're into line charts. What do we have here? A little shading of the line chart. I prefer to use the candles myself. Gives you a list of your trade history based on your previous trades. I guess here there's a list of top traders going and the trades that they've made. Suggestions, a suggestion box for if you have any inquiries about the platform, ideas on how to improve the platform here. They also have a no deposit bonus. As soon as you open an account with them, they'll put $20 in your account. Your account has to be approved though, and the way you approve your account is you basically need to send them your proof of identity, like a passport or a driver's license, and a proof of address, which would be something like a utility bill, cable bill, or something like that, with your name and the address of the location. And then they have to match it has to your address ID, your address proof has to match your identity proof, which is pretty rather simple. I was able to get approved rather quickly, and it shouldn't be a problem. But you need to be approved in order to get the bonus and also to do live trades as well as withdraw money. I'm going to show you some of my withdrawals I've done in the past with them here. I use PayPal. There are a number of options you have for making deposits and withdrawal. You can deposit and withdraw with Bitcoin, PayPal, Perfect Money, Web Money, and through a wire transfer. I use PayPal, and I also give my withdrawals through PayPal as well. And the withdrawals are rather quickly, actually. I did my latest withdrawal with I think yesterday. I sent a request like I think it was the day before yesterday, and I've already received it. I got my withdrawal this money here, and I'm gonna show you here. Here's close option sent you to my PayPal just to let people know that they do If you're worried about getting your withdrawals for your profits, they do send your money here. This is in my email account. Hello, Gus. Close option sent you $120. Okay, so they do give you your money. They're pretty reputable. They have pretty good reviews also online. I went through some websites. Here's some reviews about close option from other people. I've been trading there and it's great. You can make $5 to 200 in an hour. That's a good thing about close option. You could start with a live account with as little as $5. I recommend higher amount because when you're trading, you will not every trade is going to be a winner. You can also check out some of my strategies on my YouTube channel that I have that I use to help grow my account. Um, some other thing, I've chatted with a member and was told they're regulated. That's the thing about regulations. I mean, just because a company is not regulated doesn't mean that they're not legit or they're illegal. I've received my money from them. I have no problem with them. I'm in the US. They also accept US traders. That's another positive aspect about close option. Okay, here's another recent review from Josh here. Been using close option for about 4 months with a live account and couldn't have been a better experience. I get my profits paid out daily, which I do as well, which is really quick without any problems. Here's another, just opened an account, June 7th, 2018, just opened an account. Nice platform, simple yet elegant. They don't have indicators, which is true, but you can get your indicators from another website. There are different websites you can tag team with your indicators. So those are the positive reviews. Like I said, there's the $20, they give you a $20 deposit bonus, but there are terms involved. I think you have to trade something like it says here you need to trade $1,600, a turnover of $1,600 in order to eventually withdraw the profits if you accept to take the $20 bonus. What we have here, okay. Yeah, here are my withdrawals again. I think I've withdrawn about $300 from them so far. Again, here's the platform. Very simple, easy to use platform. Okay, I'll get back here. And they also have a very interesting aspect as well, which I mentioned earlier. They have this thing called the weekly contest. And let me see if I could pull it up here. There's the dashboard. Okay, let's go to the home page here. And they have a contest. And in order to be eligible for the contest, you don't even need a real account. You can have just demo. You can have just a demo account, and but of course your account has to be approved. It has to be you have to send your approval documentation in order to participate in the contest. And they give away something like I think $750 every week. They give you $10,000 in demo money for the contest, and the contest I believe lasts about a week. And whoever has the highest balance at the end of the week, they have anywhere, I think, from first prize, second prize, third, and up to five prizes available every week. So that's pretty cool. They do that. I think it's very interesting. I don't find too many other platforms that provide contests. So here, and then they have tutorials here on how to, get your account verified, financial stuff here. I'm not going to go into it. They're pretty self-explanatory. How to verify the account, how to change your order time, how to change your avatar, if people are into that. The different account types what we just discussed. You have demo, you have live, and the contest accounts. How to see the contest results here. Different promotions that are available. Sometimes they may have, and each of them you be careful to read the promotions because if the bonuses there are strings attached with the bonuses, where you have to have a certain turnover and volume in order to get when you accept the bonuses. So just be sure to read the terms and conditions for the bonuses. Again, here we go again. The withdrawal methods, they do crypto, Bitcoin, PayPal, web money, and perfect money. They don't do one thing they don't do is a debit or credit cards. So be aware of that. If you're interested in, I definitely recommend PayPal. The payments are, the withdrawals are like, I did a withdrawal. I think I made a request for my withdrawal, and within 10 hours, it showed up in my PayPal account, the withdrawal here. Um, so that's good. And if you want to do your own vetting, you can go and Google close option here. And for the most part, they have good reviews. They're good reviews, and I highly recommend them. If you're trading, if you like trading binary options, a lot of people love to trade binary options because they're very simple to understand and utilize, and that's why I use them too. So basically, yeah, that's my review. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to my channel, and hit the notifications icon. Gus Schmidt here, reviewing close option. I'm going to leave a link in the description if you want to check it out. There's a link in the description of this video. And that's about it. All right, Gus Schmidt signing off. Thanks a lot.